To see available data types, select Data. Open the Data Types gallery to view data type categories like chemistry, food, zip codes, and movies, and even plants. Let's add some plants. Then, format by selecting Home, Format as Table. Select Data, and then select the Plants button. If you see a question mark, Excel needs help to specify the data. Go to the Data selector and select the matching one. Select the icon to open the card for this data type. Select Add Column to show the data you can add. Adjust columns or rows to fit data. And format to get your data looking just right.